Bitcoin found support around the 25k, is now trading around $27,000. However, based on my powerful data, I'm more bearish than ever. Let me explain to you why. Hi everyone, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. Our mission is to share our knowledge to help more retail traders to understand the financial market. If any of the topic is interest to you, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Let me get right in. So the powerful data that I want to talk about is the commitment of traders. In a simple term, I want to refer it as smart money. You can see from this chart, very simple, the red line represents the short contract level. We're actually having the highest we have ever seen. So the smart money are putting it down to short Bitcoin, meaning that they see a need to see a hedge to the downside. Speculators are kind of leaving the market. They're not selling, they're not really buying. This is the data below, you can see that. So based on this, I'm not going to argue, because in history, whenever we see high level of short contract, price tend to go lower. So we are actually at the all-time highs in the last 2 weeks. So I'm not going to buy Bitcoin just yet. So let's get into the technical chart and see what the plan is. This is IG, our recommended broker. You can see we did find support on Bitcoin around the 25k multiple time in here. So price are popping a bit higher. So it's trading around 27,200 today. Is in the middle of nowhere for me to sell. Maybe if it pops a bit higher, 28, 30, then I sell, but probably I don't think it's gonna happen. Range here, when it drop below 25, retest the next higher low on daily. I'll look to sell Bitcoin. Ethereum, the one that I had an order a couple of weeks ago. Yes, I managed to get maybe about over 1,200 pounds, something like that. I'm all out now. If price does go a bit higher through here, under 1,800, again, good price action, similar like this, like an inside bar or high test bar. I'll look to sell it again, because the data on Ethereum are very, very similar to Bitcoin, so they are bearish. But at the end of the year, I might turn into a buyer when it goes to, say, Ethereum, do something like this, aggressive selling, double bottom around the 1,200 area. Then I'll look to buy. Bitcoin wise, I will do something similar, use the price action, support resistance. So if we can find support around the 20k, actually, I will be likely to buy some around 20. If it drop lower around, whatever, 14, 16, it'll be a bonus for me to buy and hold. If you'd like to know when I'm exactly going to buy or when I'm likely to sell, make sure you follow us on my Facebook group, because I post much more stuff actively through that. You can find the link in the description below or pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next week.